Greetings of the day. Myself Atifa from grade 5th day, the influencers. Today I will share my views about how to save tigers. Tigers are the magnificent creatures that are currently facing numerous threats, including habitat loss, poaching and illegal wildlife trade, and saving them from exile is of utmost importance. Educate your fellow learners about the importance of tiger conservation. Use social media platforms, organize awareness campaigns, or engage in discussions to raise awareness. Remember, collective efforts are crucial in saving tigers. By supporting local communities, promoting responsible tourism, and advocating for policy changes, we can make a positive impact on tiger conservation. Thank you.